Alright friends, while we are still talking about substring, let me show you another use. You don't have to provide end index here. If you only give a starting index, the method will extract the text from that index to the end. For example, if I delete this end index, if I just say 0, it prints the whole string. So I run my code, you see it prints the whole string. So if I give 3, for example, for my begin index, it skips the first 3 characters and prints the rest. It means it starts from index 3, so it skips the first 3 characters because it starts from index 0. So I space empty space and L, I skip this 3 and then it will continue by O. So I save it and then I run it. You see it starts from O, so it continues until the end. So I print this string to the screen. Alright.